Are you trying to do a paint job on metal and it's under 50 degrees or under 60 degrees? I'm going to show you a trick, how easy it is to do and be successful. So give this video a thumbs up on your way in, and let's explore all the steps to take to get this job done. Okay, this might be a little strange to a lot of you, but this worked for me in the past. Pick up one of these at your local store. Might even be able to get it on Amazon. I haven't checked, but I've had this for a while. I'll put a link below if they're available on Amazon. But if you take a look at, let's do an example right here. Take a look at the flames. See how the coloration changes? It's taking the moisture out of the metal. Taking the moisture out of the metal. You might be asking why. Why do that? Well, when it's not quite up to temperature, there's still moisture in the metal. And when you go to paint or any type of finish, you don't want that moisture in between the layer of paint or whatever the coating you're going to put on yours and the iron or the steel, because if it gets trapped in there, then that's how rust gets started. Now I know it takes air to create rust, but I'm here to tell you, you'll wish you would have painted when it's really warm out or took care of that moisture in the meantime. Now we got done heating up the metal, and you see how that works with drawing the moisture out of the metal, especially whenever it's this temperature. Get yourself some Rust-Oleum primer. Now I got some automotive primer here, so we're gonna put some primer on this. This is how we're gonna do ours, at least in this area anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a light coat of primer on this. Alright, that's what it looks like on the inside where the fuel tank is on the frame. So what do you think, Levi?
This truck look a lot nicer.
Makes it look a lot nicer, doesn't it? Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up on the way out if you haven't on the way in, and we'll be back with the next one.